Have you ever felt a deep connection to a certain way of being? A sense that your actions and thoughts align with a deeper, almost ancient pattern? Perhaps you resonate with leadership, feeling a natural pull to guide and inspire others. Or maybe nurturing comes naturally to you and you find joy in caring for those around you. These innate patterns of behavior and energy are called spiritual archetypes. They are the fundamental blueprints that shape our soul's purpose and guide us through the various stages of life. Think of them as the underlying themes that influence our actions, decisions, and interactions with the world. They are like blueprints that shape our soul's purpose and guide us through life. Imagine a vast library filled with countless stories, each one unique yet interconnected. This library represents the collective human experience. Each archetype is like a genre, offering a unique perspective on the human experience. Just as genres in literature provide different lenses through which to view a story, archetypes offer varied ways to understand our own lives. Some archetypes, like the leader, are filled with action and drive. They are the ones who take charge, motivate others, and pave the way forward. Others, like the nurturer, overflow with compassion and empathy. They are the caregivers, the ones who provide support and comfort in times of need. There are also archetypes like the creator, bursting with imagination and innovation, and the builder, grounded in practicality and focused on constructing tangible results. No matter your archetype, it's important to remember that we are all connected. Each of us plays a unique role in the grand tapestry of existence. Each archetype plays a vital role in the grand tapestry of existence. Just as each thread is essential to the integrity of a tapestry, each archetype contributes to the richness of the human experience. By understanding our own archetype, we gain valuable insights into our strengths, weaknesses, and potential for growth. This self-awareness allows us to navigate life with greater clarity and purpose. This knowledge empowers us to live more authentically and fulfill our unique destiny. It helps us to align our actions with our true nature, leading to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. As we journey through life, we may find ourselves drawn to different archetypes at various stages. This fluidity is a natural part of our growth and evolution. This is perfectly natural, as our souls are constantly evolving and expanding. Just as a butterfly emerges from a chrysalis, we too transform and adapt to new phases of our lives. The key is to approach this exploration with an open mind and a willingness to learn and grow. Embrace the journey of discovering your spiritual archetype and let it guide you towards a deeper understanding of yourself and your place in the world. Our birthdays are more than just dates on a calendar. They are milestones that mark our journey through life, each one carrying a unique significance. They hold a hidden code that reveals much about our spiritual nature, a code that can guide us in understanding our true selves. This code is our birthday number, a single digit derived from our birth date. It's a simple yet profound way to gain insight into our spiritual blueprint. This number acts as a key, unlocking the secrets of our spiritual archetype, revealing the essence of who we are and what we are meant to be. Calculating your birthday number is simple and straightforward, yet the insights it provides are deeply meaningful. If your birthday is a single digit, 1 to 9, then that is your birthday number. This number alone can tell you a lot about your core personality. If your birthday is a double-digit number, simply add the digits together until you arrive at a single digit. This process distills the essence of your birth date into a single, powerful number. For example, if your birthday is on the 17th, you would add 1 plus 7 to get 8. This simple calculation can open doors to profound self-awareness. Your birthday number is 8. This number holds specific meanings and insights that are unique to you. Each birthday number corresponds to a specific spiritual archetype, a symbolic representation of your inner self. This archetype influences our natural inclinations, our strengths and weaknesses, and our overall approach to life. It shapes how we interact with the world and how we perceive our experiences. By understanding our birthday number, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. It's a tool for self-discovery and personal growth. It's like having a personal roadmap to navigate the complexities of life, guiding us towards our true purpose and potential. In the following sections, we'll explore each archetype in detail, uncovering the unique traits and gifts associated with each birthday number. These insights can help you understand your unique path and how to best navigate it. As you read, pay attention to the archetypes that resonate most strongly with you. These are the aspects of your spiritual self that are calling for your attention. This is your intuition, guiding you towards a deeper understanding of your spiritual self. Embrace this journey of self-discovery and let your birthday number illuminate your path. Those born under the influence of the number 1 are natural-born leaders. They possess a strong sense of individuality, ambition, and a pioneering spirit. Leaders are often drawn to positions of authority and responsibility where they can inspire and motivate others. Leaders are known for their courage, determination, and unwavering self-belief. They're not afraid to take risks or to challenge the status quo. This makes them trailblazers, forging new paths and creating new possibilities for themselves and others. However, leaders can also be prone to arrogance and stubbornness. Their desire for control can sometimes lead to conflicts with others. It's important for leaders to learn the art of collaboration and to value the contributions of those around them. Some examples of famous leaders include Oprah Winfrey, a media mogul and philanthropist, and Nelson Mandela, a revolutionary and political leader who fought against apartheid in South Africa. These individuals exemplify the courage, vision, and unwavering determination that characterize the leader archetype. The Nurturer. Birthday numbers 2, 11, 20, 29. Nurturers are the caregivers of the zodiac. They are compassionate, empathetic, and deeply attuned to the emotions of others. They have a natural ability to create harmony and bring people together. Nurturers find fulfillment in caring for others and making the world a more loving and peaceful place. Nurturers are known for their diplomacy, tact, and ability to mediate conflicts. They excel in roles that involve collaboration, cooperation, and creating win-win situations. Their sensitivity and emotional intelligence make them excellent listeners and confidants. However, nurturers can sometimes be overly sensitive and prone to self-sacrifice. They may neglect their own needs while trying to please others. It's crucial for nurturers to establish healthy boundaries and prioritize their own well-being. Famous examples of nurturers include Mother Teresa, known for her selfless devotion to the poor and sick, and Princess Diana, whose compassion and empathy touched the lives of millions around the world. These individuals embody the caring, compassionate, and selfless nature of the nurturer archetype. The Creator, birthday numbers 3, 12, 21, 30. Creators are the artists, writers, musicians, and visionaries of the world. They possess a vibrant inner world overflowing with imagination, creativity, and a zest for life. They express themselves through various artistic mediums, bringing beauty and inspiration into the world. Creators are known for their infectious enthusiasm, optimism, and ability to find joy in everyday moments. They have a childlike wonder and a knack for seeing the world through a different lens. Their creativity knows no bounds, and they are constantly seeking new ways to express themselves. However, creators can also be prone to mood swings, procrastination, and a fear of criticism. It's essential for creators to develop self-discipline and to learn how to channel their creative energy effectively. Famous creators include Leonardo da Vinci, a polymath whose artistic genius and scientific inventions continue to inspire awe, and Walt Disney, a master storyteller who brought joy and imagination to generations of children and adults alike. These individuals exemplify the boundless creativity, imagination, and joyful spirit of the creator archetype. The Builder, birthday numbers 4, 13, 22, 31. Builders are the architects, engineers, and organizers of the world. They are the ones who take ideas and turn them into reality, transforming visions into structures and plans into actions. They are practical, grounded, and have a strong work ethic. Their hands-on approach and meticulous nature ensure that every detail is attended to and nothing is left to chance. They thrive on structure, order, and bringing tangible results into the world. Builders find satisfaction in seeing the fruits of their labor, knowing that their efforts have created something lasting and meaningful. Builders are the ones who lay the foundation for a better future, brick by brick. Their contributions are often the bedrock upon which communities and societies are built. Builders are known for their reliability, perseverance, and dedication. They are the people you can count on to get the job done, no matter how challenging the task may be. They are not afraid of hard work and are willing to put in the time and effort required to achieve their goals. Their determination and stamina are unmatched, often pushing through obstacles that would deter others. Their practicality and attention to detail make them excellent problem solvers and organizers. They can see the potential pitfalls in a plan and devise strategies to avoid them, ensuring smooth execution. However, builders can also be prone to rigidity, stubbornness, and a resistance to change. Their focus on the tried and true can sometimes prevent them from embracing new ideas or innovative approaches. They may become so focused on the details that they lose sight of the bigger picture. This tunnel vision can lead to missed opportunities and a lack of adaptability in a rapidly changing world. It's important for builders to learn to be more flexible and adaptable in their approach. Embracing change and being open to new methods can enhance their effectiveness and broaden their impact. Famous builders include Henry Ford, an industrialist who revolutionized automobile manufacturing. His assembly line innovation not only transformed the automotive industry but also set new standards for production efficiency. And Marie Curie, a physicist and chemist who conducted pioneering research on radioactivity. Her groundbreaking work laid the foundation for advancements in both science and medicine. These individuals showcase the hard work, dedication, and unwavering focus on tangible results that define the builder archetype. Their legacies remind us of the power of perseverance and the impact of turning dreams into reality. If you enjoyed this journey into spiritual archetypes, be sure to explore our other videos on astrology and spiritual insights. Subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It supports us in creating more inspiring content.